This is Corey with Rugged Terrain Company again. Have you guys ever been in this situation? We're currently out on the trails. We're in Oklahoma, and we've got a flat tire. So we're riding alone. Fortunately, we came prepared today. We've got a few things we can use. The first thing is our tire repair kit from Overland Vehicle Systems. Get it close up here, let you see this. This kit has everything that you're going to need in it. It's got nice quality punches. It's got some pliers. There's like 30 patches in here. There's a kit for valve stem repairs. So if you have any valve stem issues, a tire gauge, everything you're going to need to repair a tire. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix our tire, and then we have to be able to fill it back up. For that, we have a really awesome system. We have the air up, air down system. How this works, our lines are already plumbed through our machine. We've got this nice bag that holds our quick disconnect hoses here. We have hoses that run to every side. We're on our front tire here, so we're going to use our small hose, and this just quick disconnects to the front tire. Just press it in, and then we have a fitting right here on the side, and you just press it in right there. If this was the rear tire, same concept. We have a fitting right here, and then you hook it into your tire. Very simple system. Come up under here underneath the hood and I'll show you how this works. So under our hood here, we've got our air up and air down system, which is this system right here. We also have our ABC Motorsports air compressor. The air compressor does come with this tray. It's a very simple system. So there's a regulator built into here. We're going to set our pressure. It's already set at 8 psi. We've already adjusted it properly. This is a drain valve, so if you wanted to air down, you would open that up and let the air out. We're going to close that because we're filling up. If you didn't want to run a compressor and you wanted to store your compressor somewhere else, there is a plug that comes with this kit, and you can plug this hole here and it'll fill up with a typical Schrader valve off of any air compressor. Cap that back off here. So all we're going to do, we've got everything hooked up. We're just going to turn our air compressor on, and it's going to start to inflate our tires. Our air compressor is going to go all the way up to top pressure, and our regulator, as we watch that, will slowly rise, and it will stop filling once it gets to 8 pounds. Another really neat feature to this system while this is moving is if you wanted to sync all 4 tires, all 4 tires up at the same time, and that will equalize the pressure in all 4 tires. While that's going on, you can also inflate or deflate all 4 at the exact same time, however you wanted to do that and whatever pressure you wanted to set at. Yesterday was a good example. We were out riding. We had our tires aired up to 10 psi. It was a little high, it was a little rough for the terrain that we're in today, so we went ahead and hooked up, and we were able to air down all of our tires. Alright guys, as you can see, our tire is now full. If you want to come up here, I'll show you what we did. So it did fill up very slowly. It filled up very slowly at 8 psi. So we opened the regulator to allow a lot more air to go through, so it filled up a lot faster. And then once it was looked about right, then we reset the regulator at 8 pounds. Before we disconnect everything, I want to show you guys how this all works. So it clicks onto your valve stem, very simple. And then we have a port right here. It's just a quick disconnect fitting. You just grab it and pull. It's very simple. To install it, you just push it on and it locks into place. It's very easy to use, no screwing, no a lot of time here messing around with anything. It just pops right out and off. In our back, same situation. Just slides right on the tire. You can see, slides right on. Very simple. It also goes right here. Same situation, pops off, pops on. You just push them on there real snug so they don't leak. Come back here to the tire. Press real hard, and it doesn't leak there either. That's it, guys. Our air up, air down system is available on our website. Be sure to like and subscribe to our page.